Hey there, fellow marketers. Today, we're diving into the world of Facebook ads and exploring how to master interest staging and layering. You see, the key to successful Facebook ads is understanding your audience and targeting them effectively. That's where interest, staging, and layering come in. Interest staging is all about identifying the interests of your potential customers and then targeting them based on their level of engagement with those interests. For example, if you're selling a product related to fitness, you might start by targeting people who have shown interest in fitness-related topics, then move on to those who have engaged with fitness content, and finally, target those who have made a purchase related to fitness. Now, let's talk about interest layering. This is where you combine multiple interests to create a more targeted audience. For instance, if you're selling a product related to hiking, you might layer interests such as hiking gear, hiking trails, and hiking apparel. By mastering interest staging and layering, you'll be able to reach the right people with your ads and boost your chances of success. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to follow and subscribe for more marketing tips and tricks. Stay awesome, and see you next time.